Have you ever wondered why food cooked inside a bamboo tube tastes so much richer, smokier, and more alive than food from a metal pot? It's not just a culinary trick, it's a fascinating fusion of thermodynamics, plant biochemistry, and natural material engineering, all happening in one ancient technique. Across Indonesia, bamboo cooking is a cherished tradition, from lemang in Sumatra to papyang in Toraja, and even bamboo soups in Kalimantan and Papua. The method seems simple. Fill hollow bamboo tubes with rice, meat, spices, or coconut milk, seal them with leaves, and cook over fire. But this simplicity hides a complex interplay of heat transfer, phytochemical infusion, and natural aromatic release that transforms ordinary ingredients into extraordinary meals.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Let's dive into the science, starting with the thermal physics of bamboo. Think of bamboo walls as nature's multi-tool for cooking. They act as a natural heat diffuser, spreading warmth evenly, a moisture regulator, keeping things perfectly hydrated, and a thermal insulator, holding that heat just right. Bamboo's thermal conductivity is incredibly low, around 0.13 to 0.20 watts per meter Kelvin, which is far less than metal. This means bamboo heats slowly and evenly, preventing burning and allowing for long, gentle cooking, much like a fire-powered sous vide machine. Next up, moisture ecology. Bamboo internodes, those segmented sections, contain microscopic silicoline channels. These tiny channels are like nature's clever sponges, trapping moisture and then gradually releasing steam. This ingenious system prevents the food from dehydrating, creating a self-humidifying chamber with perfectly stable cooking humidity. Now for the real magic, plant chemistry and flavor transfer. When bamboo heats up, it triggers a cascade of chemical reactions. Lignin breaks down, releasing vanilla-like phenols, while hemicellulose caramelizes, adding delightful sweet notes. Volatile terpenes also join the party, contributing herbal and woody aromas. These compounds then migrate directly into your food through steam phase diffusion. But wait, there's more. The leaves used to seal the bamboo, like banana or galangal, are also flavor powerhouses. They contain polyphenol, aromatic aldehydes, and chlorophyll derivatives. When heated, these infuse grassy, fresh aromas and even prevent lipid oxidation, keeping your food fresh. And let's not forget the fire itself. As the bamboo exterior chars, it generates mild smoke, phenolic vapors, and wood-derived aromatics. All these elements combine to create a uniquely layered flavor profile that's simply impossible to replicate in a metal pot. So, what does all this science mean for your taste buds? Let's talk sensory science and culinary notes. The aroma is a symphony of woody, smoky phenols, sweet hemicellulose notes, and fresh herbal leaf volatiles. The texture is equally impressive. Rice becomes incredibly soft yet springy due to perfect steam retention. And meat cooked in bamboo retains its collagen gel networks, producing exceptional juiciness that melts in your mouth. Flavor-wise, you get deep into umami from Maillard reactions inside the bamboo cavity, slight caramelization from browning sugars, and a persistent woody finish from lignin-derived aromatics. It's no wonder chefs call bamboo cooking nature's pressure cooker with flavor memory. Let's take a moment to visually explore this incredible process. Imagine macro shots of bamboo pores releasing steam, a tiny, bustling world of flavor creation. Picture 4K footage of bamboo tubes slowly rotating over a crackling fire, the exterior charring beautifully. And drone views of traditional bamboo cooking villages, showcasing the timeless beauty of this culinary art. Finally, a 3D animation revealing the intricate dance of heat diffusion and aromatic compound release inside the bamboo walls, a hidden world of flavor engineering. Bamboo cooking truly proves that materials matter. When nature becomes the cookware, chemistry and flavor transform together in the most delicious ways. Curious for more scientific culinary adventures? Dive deeper into this fascinating topic and share your thoughts with us.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.